Hello, hello, and thank you so much for joining me here today. So, as I'm aging, I'm noticing that my bones are not as flexible as they used to be. So, for the last couple of weeks, I've started my morning with this high collagen drink of unflavored gelatin, turmeric, orange juice, black pepper, and a little bit of maple syrup. It is so healthy, so easy to make, and equally as delicious. Now, let's make a cardamom coffee cake. The original recipe for this cake called for 3/4 cup sugar, and since I am trying to watch the amount of carbs that I'm eating, I reduced that amount to about half of the sugar. And I did this before, and the cake was just as delicious. I didn't have any sour cream, which is called for in this recipe. And so what I did was I did about 6 ounces of cream cheese and about a 1/4 cup of milk, and kind of just made kind of a mixture with that to substitute for the sour cream. And finally, we make the topping for the coffee cake. And now this will bake for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And since Valentine's Day is, what, about 2 weeks away, I thought to make some scented rocks with an essential oil blend that I have called Naturally Love. And so I am going to incorporating that scent within these rocks, as well as a bit of lavender. The recipe for making these is a cup of baking soda, a half a cup of cornstarch, about 3/4 cup of warm water, of course the scent of your choice, and for the coloring, to keep them eco-friendly, I like to use colored mica powder. The scent is so lovely. They'll dry for 24 hours, and at that time I will place them in a bowl to display in my kitchen. Pretty scented rocks and delicious cardamom coffee cake. Who could ask for anything more? Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day or evening, and I'll see you soon.